Unwrapping the meaning of body wrap. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might wrap your head in a bit of confusion at first. Body wrap. Is it something you wear, or something entirely different? Stay tuned as we unwrap the meaning and use of this interesting English term. Let's start with the basics. The phrase, body wrap, refers to a spa treatment where the body is wrapped in materials like algae, seaweed, mud, or other natural substances. The purpose? It's often for detoxification, skin improvement, or simply for relaxation. It's like a cocoon of comfort, providing both physical and mental benefits. But there's more to it. Body wrap can also extend its meaning to the fashion industry. Here, it can mean a garment that you wrap around your body, often without buttons or zippers, relying on the wrap design to hold it in place. Think of a wrap dress or a sarong. Simple, elegant, and it stays put with just a tie or knot. Now, let's see how to use body wrap in a sentence. After a stressful week, a detoxifying body wrap at the spa can be incredibly rejuvenating. She wore a beautiful silk body wrap to the beach, which complemented her swimsuit perfectly. Notice how the context makes it clear whether we're talking about a spa treatment or a type of clothing. One common misunderstanding is confusing body wrap with wraparound. While both can refer to garments, wraparound is usually used for skirts or dresses with a specific wrap design. Body wrap, in the context of fashion, is a broader term. Also, don't mix up a body wrap with a burrito wrap. The latter is definitely not for your skin, but for your palate, as it's a type of food. And there you have it, a complete look at the phrase, body wrap, in English. Whether it's enhancing your wellness at the spa or choosing the perfect outfit for a casual outing, you now know how this phrase can be used in different scenarios. We hope this video has been as relaxing and enlightening as a body wrap treatment itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you next time.